Okay, so before you start recording with the Zoom, it's a good idea to have a look at some of the features and set some of the settings up for easy operations. So, if you haven't switched it on already, do so by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds. And then we need to do a factory reset. So, if you go to the menu button, which is on the side of the Zoom, just here. Now, a lot of the menus you need to scroll up and down, and to do that, you use this button here. So, up and down. It's like a wheel that scrolls up and down. There's also a button in the center which you press to select the menu. And also, hitting menu will take you back to the previous menu. So, when you first go into the menu, you'll probably see a screen like this, and you need to just scroll down using the little wheel button until you get to this system menu. So, then press the wheel in to select system menu. And if you scroll down even further, you will get to where it says factory reset. Just press to select and then scroll up and then select yes to confirm. And that's when it does a factory reset and switches off. So the next time you switch it back on, then all of the settings should be set to the factory default. At this stage, it's a good idea to set the date. So again, using the scroll button, you can change the year, month and day. And when you have set all of your different settings, then you simply hit the record button. So we are now here. It's a good idea to get the correct date and time in, because whatever recordings you make are going to be stamped with this time. So if you want to know the exact date and time that something was recorded, then it's a very useful thing to have the date set correctly. So yeah, just press record when you've finished setting the date and time, and you're back to the recording screen. One other thing that you should do before you start recording, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of recording, is just to format the SD card, because whoever was using it before, you might have left a lot of recordings on there. And you want to make sure you've got the most space available. So again, go to the menu button on the side, and then scroll down until you get to the SD card menu. Select that, go to format, select that. Are you sure? Yes. And after a while, it will say done, and it is finished formatting. So now you can hit the menu button and hit the menu button again, and that will take you back to the recording screen. And now the Zoom is ready to do some recording. So we'll come back to that in a minute.